you want to hear something really cute about yawning? You know that deep involuntary yawn that seems to come out of nowhere? It's not your body being tired or bored. It's your nervous system asking for a reset. When the body yawns deeply, it stimulates the vagus nerve, slightly lowers the heart rate, and shifts the internal state in a way that the brain was quietly asking for before you even noticed something was off. That is why a really good yawn can feel like a release, because physiologically it is. The body just took itself briefly out of activation and brought itself back down. Most people dismiss it, but the body never does anything without a reason. And the cutest thing ever is that sometimes when you're around certain people, you will instinctively yawn because they make you feel calm.